Selma, Mike, Fluff. So I got a little bit of cleanup done in the yard. A few less things to trip on. Still need to rake. Left them that big branch that fell down the other day. We had a huge windstorm and that come plopping in the chicken yard. And they are loving it. It's their daytime perch. Right? Yeah, we got a bunch of the crud out of here. Oh, I see other things that got blown in weird places. Yeah. A nice little collection of eggs. I think there's 11 I counted. But there's still 4 girls wanting to sit on the nest. I'm gonna go into bed, Oreo. Edith. Yeah. They got a nice little grass patch. Yeah, I just got a rake yet. That's still an awful mess. Those trees sure drop a lot of crud. But I think I will trip a lot less when I come to feed now. The boys were tripping one another even, so, and they're chasing. Selma, are you wanting to be the famous one today? Hmm? No, you can't have the eggs. No, you can't have the eggs. No, Selma. You can't have the eggs. Hey?